Hello! So, today is a very special, important, exciting day. Today is the day where I finally graduate. Not from high school, but from college. All the nights I spent crying in my bedroom floor, all wraps up into this beautiful gift that is a diploma. So, I just wanted to make a get ready with me, but graduation edition. Did I mention that I was graduating? I'm excited. I just wanted to give some high school / college / school advice for those of you who are
procrastinators.
So let's get into this. So before we get into this video, I just want to give a big shout out to our sponsor. Yes, sis got that coin. I am thriving and we finally got a sponsorship. So thank you so much to Amino for sponsoring this video. The Amino app is a network of communities that lets you explore, discover, and obsess over the things you're into. And recently they added a really cool new feature called stories. I've been watching these stories like nonstop because each one is so unique and so entertaining to watch. And I'm super excited to announce that I've also partnered with Amino to join the fun and release my own stories based on makeup and beauty, because why not? The link to download Amino will be pinned down in the comments below and in the description. Give me a follow to see the new stories that I pump out. Alright, let's get back into the video. I took the liberty of decorating my cap. But it was worth it. I am, however, going to decorate the rim portion right here so that there's a bunch of flowers. And while we do that, let's do some Q&A. And then later on in the video, I'm going to do my makeup, put on my gear of graduation, and we're gonna walk down that stage thing, and y'all are coming with me. So, I have my friend Samantha helping me with the Q&A. Say hi, Samantha.
Hi, Samantha. After graduation, where are you going?
I'm going to Washington State University, which, by the way, a lot of people will probably be like, Washington State University?
Disgusting. It's like,
okay, if you think it's disgusting, pay for my college to go somewhere else, jeez.
Where did you go to school?
I went to Clark College. You good?
How do you be smart? Do you ooh?
I won't.
Okay, I'm entering 9th grade next year. Any advice for surviving high school?
How did you survive high school?
God.
Honestly,
Literally.
though, if you're surrounded by like the right people who always try to encourage you and influence you in a good way, you should be fine. And honestly, I know a lot of people struggle with making friends. People give the advice of like, if you want friends, then put yourself out there, be this and that. Actually, no, you don't. You don't have to, because I met literally my best friend of how many years?
6?
Like 6 years. We've been best friends by both of us literally being antisocial human beings. Yeah! So I finished my flower cap, and my Michael Scott is just chilling there. I finished my cap, and so next what we're going to do is we're going to continue our Q&A, but I am now going to be doing my makeup and hair and start getting ready in that area.
She's gonna get snatched.
I'm gonna get snatched. My mirror is gonna be in the frame a little bit, so I apologize. And I'm actually gonna cake my face for once, because they're gonna have a professional photographer there, and I didn't pay my whole tuition to look ugly.
I'm 26, and I'm trying to see about the whole going back to college, but I feel old. Advice?
Trust me, you are never old for college.
That's so true. I've had friends in college, like, it just varies. I love the age diversity, you know?
Yeah, and like, why wouldn't you want to be part of that age diversity, to be a story of like, you know what, I was this years old and I still was able to find a community. I was still able to oh my gosh, right when I was getting my emotional speech. Anyways, back to my emotional speech. Why wouldn't you want to be part of that, just encouraging others to better their lives? Okay, I'm done.
How do you stay motivated? I'm dying, crying emoji.
I find that people who usually ask that question, it's because they don't know why they're going to school. Because if you don't know what you're doing, then it's kind of like in the middle of the process, it's like, then why am I here? Always thinking about the end goal. That's how I've always been able to achieve what I want. And that's how I stay motivated.
School advice on relationships?
You see me and Samantha here? We were single throughout all high school.
True, no one was good enough for us.
That's true, actually.
Yeah, we went to a small high school, no offense.
Oh yeah, if someone from my high school, if you're watching this and maybe you had a crush on one of us and everything, no offense, but we hate you.
We had too much going on. I was not.
We just were not. We just were not,
We
you
just
know?
were not.
I'm gonna put blush on my nose because you already know how it goes. Without my eyeshadow and lashes, I just look like Michael Jackson. Samantha's a bad friend. She doesn't remember how we met.
High school was overwhelming, okay?
No, well, I remember how we met. It was very emotional and thrilling and beautiful. So basically, we sat down next to each other during our photography class, and then she pulled out candy, and I said, "Can I have one?" And then she gave me it. And then it's been history from there. I guess the life lesson is when a stranger offers you candy, take it, kids. No, but in all seriousness, photography class with Samantha was really fun. My photography teacher was very tech savvy, and he made it so that you could hear everything from our computers out on like the surround system. Basically, while he was lecturing, we played this turtle game where like he goes down a slide.
It was Fun Brain Playground.
One day we were all working, right?
It was dead silent, like everyone was focused, and all you could hear in the huge surround system is...
And the thing is, this was while we were separated too, so we're doing this across the freaking...
I don't know, I thought it was really
I
funny.
think that was the only class I ever got in trouble in. Hey all you people. Hey all you people.
Hey, all you people, won't you listen to me? I just had a sandwich. No ordinary sandwich.
A sandwich made from jellyfish jelly.
Anyway, so next I'm gonna put on my lashes or whatever. And they're gonna be my corner lashes, which just go like... I won't be wearing this neon Kermit the Frog shirt underneath. I'm just wearing this for now. I'm going to take you guys to walk with me and graduate with me. Just taste that sweet victory along with me. So let's go.
Salem, Tovar. Yeah! Whoa! Diana Flaggy, with honor. I think she had a hearing aid.
Hello, Salem. Tis I, your older sister, that's the middle sister. I just want to tell you that I love you and you're one of my best friends. And I'm so happy for you. And you know that I'll always be here for you and I'll always support you.
Salem, okay, this video is for you. I'm really proud of you. And I hope that, you know, you're able to cherish these memories. I'm really happy I got to come to your graduation. And I'm just like so stoked for everything, for your future. And I'm so proud of you. I love you. Take care. And I love you, bro. Give me a hug.
You work so hard. And you're so smart. You're one of the hardest working people I know. But you still grinding, man.
I'm so proud of her, and I didn't expect anything less from her. She's amazing, and I'm just so proud of both of you for being first generation graduates. It's really inspiring for my daughters to see that. So I love you guys.
How about you, baby Addie?
She's like, I'm fat.
Salemita ya lleva su segundo diploma. So estoy muy orgullosa de ti.
I feel so happy. I got super emotional walking down. I wanted to cry, especially when everyone that actually like have helped me pave the way to me graduating. That made me really emotional. So the feeling is worth it, and the diploma ceremony is well, I should say
degree is worth it. And yeah, I'm so happy.
Yay!